I will now talk about some aspects to consider with Shopify and WooCommerce. If you want to duplicate your store to create a new one easily, you will have better luck with WooCommerce. Many web hosts offer a one-click cloning service, but you can also do it with plugins or manually. With Shopify, you will have to start from scratch. Apply your store settings all over again when you create a new store. For dropshipping, and according to my own experience, the Oberlo app from Shopify is the most pleasant and reliable to use. Shopify bought Oberlo in 2017, and the company applies its high-quality standards to this strategic app. With the Oberlo app, millions of sellers can start a Shopify dropshipping store easily and start selling products from AliExpress. As Oberlo works only on Shopify, the best alternative is the Dropship Woo plugin for WooCommerce. From my own experience, it works, although less user-friendly and stable than Oberlo. However, you pay a one-time fee to get the Dropship Woo plugin. Oberlo is free but with limitations. You have to pay up to about $30 per month to get additional features like bulk orders capabilities. If you plan to sell internationally, you may want to offer payments in multiple currencies, so your customers will be able to buy your products in their local currency. Both Shopify and WooCommerce keep improving, but until now multi-currency support is not available by default. You need to install an app or plugin to add multi-currency support. Shopify created an app to do that job, and it is compatible with Shopify payments. It runs smoothly on Shopify, but on WooCommerce it's much harder to find a powerful multi-currency plugin as easy to use and reliable as on Shopify. You can sell in multiple languages with Shopify or WooCommerce. Apps and plugins cover this need. You want people to find your store on Google to get free traffic and sales, so you need to work on your SEO. Since most people only click on the first page of search results, you're going to have to work to get your site up in the rankings. WooCommerce runs on top of WordPress, which is the best blogging platform optimized for SEO. Therefore, WooCommerce is built using code optimized for SEO, so you have an advantage over Shopify. On top of that, there are lots of WordPress plugins for SEO optimization you can use on your WooCommerce store. Yoast SEO, WordPress SEO plugin is very powerful and simple to use. You will become an SEO expert in no time. You can also create a blog on your Shopify store, but it's less optimized than WordPress. And there are lots of SEO apps on Shopify too. It's not so easy to separate Shopify from WooCommerce in terms of SEO. But my preference goes towards the WordPress ecosystem. Therefore, WooCommerce is the winner in terms of SEO.